Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using Mielle Organics' first botanical line of products, the Mango and Tulsi products, to create this very cute, soft twist and curl. So keep watching if you want to see how I got the look using these new products from this Mango and Tulsi collection. Hey y'all, so I just finished washing my hair with the Mielle Organics Mango and Tulsi shampoo. And now that my hair is all clean, we are ready to move on to conditioner. And I'm going to be using the Mango and Tulsi moisturizing conditioner. And my hair has dried a little bit since I finished washing, so I re-dampened it. And I'm just going ahead and applying this conditioner section by section. And again, my hair is just damp right now, you guys. It's not soaking wet. And one of the first things, y'all, I can say I've noticed about these products are the smell. They smell really good. Just smell very light and fruity. And yeah, I am really loving that. And I've been wearing a low ponytail, you guys, in my hair for a few weeks now. So I had a lot of buildup, a lot of gel in my hair, a lot of edge control. So the Mango and Tulsi shampoo did a really good job breaking up all of that gel and buildup from these past couple of weeks. So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about 40 minutes and then rinse this out, and then we're gonna be on to styling. So I'm done washing all of the conditioner out of my hair, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and add some of the Mango and Tulsi serum. And I'm so excited that this line has a serum, y'all, because I love adding serums on my scalp before I actually style. I've been using serums a lot more these days. This one has vitamins A and C, and also Tulsi leaves, which are really good for nourishing the hair and scalp, and also has mango butter in it as well. Very moisturizing, but still light, not too heavy. And these days, y'all, I really like products that just do not weigh my hair down. Back in the day, I used to use things that were way more heavier, but these days that's not really the look that I'm going for when I'm styling my hair. I just like my hair to be very voluminous and have a good amount of volume. And if you are using products that are too heavy, it's definitely going to weigh the hair down. So I went ahead and split my hair into 4 sections to start my detangling process. So I'm going to be using the Mango and Tulsi leave-in conditioner, and this is what it looks like. And so I'm just going to add a small amount. Just kind of continue to add a little bit at a time if you need to. And I also like to finger detangle first as well. And then from here, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb. So I'm done detangling my whole head, y'all. I still have it clipped in these sections because it's just a lot easier for me to style that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a twist and curl, y'all, and I think I'm leaning towards a side part. And I'm going to do medium sections as well. And we're going to be using the Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Styling Gel. So I'm just taking a small amount. Y'all, this gel is so clear, you probably can't really see it that great. So I do have my detangling brush. And so I'm adding a little bit more after I detangle. And then I'm going to evenly split this section of hair and twist. And I am twisting pretty tightly, y'all, so that my twist will stay. And then I'm gonna stop about an inch up and add a perm rod to the end. And go ahead and roll that up. And I'm just gonna keep repeating this same step, y'all, all around my head. And my hair is still damp, So I do not style on soaking wet hair, y'all, because it will take my hair entirely too long to dry. So I am excited to see how this gel works. It does have the Tulsi leaves in it as well, and then it has mango butter also in it. This is my first time using a gel that's infused with a butter like this, so yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how the hold is, and I really want to see how this dries down. So I'm actually excited to use a gel that has ingredients that are actually nourishing to natural hair, because that is hard to find. And I'm adding the gel on, and y'all, let's just look and see what it's looking like after just adding gel. So y'all, one thing that I can say that I have been doing in 2022 is keeping up with my trims. I've been getting my ends trimmed about every 3 months at minimum, so I will say that that has truly helped my natural hairstyles thrive and just my natural hair look a lot healthier. That is something that I cannot stress enough, you guys. Make sure you are doing your trims, whether you're doing them at home. I would advise going to a professional if you do not know what you're doing. And this year I have been getting it straightened before she does the cut, but you don't have to get it straightened. You can also get cuts done when your hair is in a blow dried state if you don't want to straighten it with an actual flat iron. I've had my hair flat iron this year 2 times so far, and I see myself at least doing 2 more probably. So I'm done twisting up this first section, and I'm going to go ahead and twist up the other 3 sections, and I'll be back. So I'm through twisting and curling all of my hair, y'all. So this is what it is looking like. So it's about 5 o'clock now, so I am going to let these dry overnight, and then I'll probably sit under the dryer in the morning for just a little bit. I like to let my hair air dry for the most part because I hate sitting under the dryer, y'all. I'll be sweating and stuff so bad. So I will be back once it's dry to show you guys my end results. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and my hair is completely dry, and I've already taken out my perm rods. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and unravel my hair and see what this definition is looking like. And if you are taking down your hair and your hands are feeling a little dry, just put a little bit of moisturizer on them. In my case, I'm going to use a little of this serum and take it down with this. The gel actually did not leave any kind of hard cast on my hair, so I really do like that. The definition is definitely still there, even though I did not do a ton of twists. I did medium to chunky sized twist. So let me show y'all what the back is looking like. So y'all, when I do chunky twist outs, I do not like to separate each section of hair too much, just to help maintain the definition as much as I can. So I separate it a little bit, and I'm just going through with my pick. So y'all, I'm done picking my hair, and this is the softest my hair has ever turned out using a gel. So I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. So these are my final results from the Mielle Organics first botanical line of products, the Mango and Tulsi products, y'all. They contain zinc and vitamin C, which are both really good for moisturizing and nourishing your hair. So definitely give these products a try if you haven't already. And I'm gonna leave my code and link below so y'all can shop directly, and let me know if y'all have any questions. Thanks y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.